Hey, bruh, what's up? Okay, what's the problem? No problem. Just vibing. Best friend creator? Is it supposed to be Cody and Joe your best friend? Well, they're going in the game, so they're telling me they're not gonna be a best friend anymore. So, you wanna be best friends? I'm not too sure. Yeah. Yeah, we could be best friends. Cool. So, I know you create some, like, paper buddy channel, but you want to be best friends? Can I help you with the channel? Yeah. Sure. Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, it would be awesome. We get to be best friends forever. Yeah. Yeah. Plus, we're best buddies. Yeah. Plus, that you're the first creator. You're the first character to be made. Yeah, I like that. Thank you. You're welcome. Yeah, great work. Yeah, yeah. By the way, I will see you, I guess, tomorrow. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye. Alright. Hello guys, it's me, Tika. And today, I hope you enjoy the premiere video of Paper Buddy, our new series. And also, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on your post notifications because we're doing the season 2 thing. The season 2. We're doing season 2. So, make sure to like, subscribe. Okay, bye!